Don't prove yourself, only improve yourself. By these lines, good morning to everyone. Welcome to all into RK Scapper Biology classes. I'm educator of the RK Scappers Academy. So today I would like to discuss about the wonderful organs, and we all are aware that there are the many organs in our body and which plays very important role for controlling and for operating the all activities of the human. But do you know that is the which part plays very important role for controlling the our body? Do you know that means the heart? Why I am saying this thing? Because as long as human heart beats, so a human can alive. But when human heartbeat will stop, so human will die. So before wasting our time, I would like to see, we will see the structures of the human's heart. So do you know that? First of all, I would like to give you the three answers of the question. That is the what is the work of the heart and how does human heart work? Do you know that? So first of all, we will see the structures, and whenever we study about the heart, so it's called the cardiology. Means the who is pursuing the MBBS for becoming a doctor, so they have to study more about the cardiology. And whenever we have any types of the diseases in our heart, so on that time we will have to go near the heart specialist doctor. Means the who has studied about the cardiology, so on that time we will have to go. And second is the heart is a pumping organs. Do you know that? Because our heart pump to 5 to 7 liter blood in our body for circulating in our body. And do you know that there are the three layers for covering the heart? First is the endocardium, second is the pericardium, and third is the myocardium. And do you know that how many times does human heart beats in our body? Means in a day, in a year, and in a minute also. So do you know that human heart beats 72 times in a minute? And if I will talk about the day, so 10,000 times beats human heart, and 35 million times human heart beats. So it is about the GK. And do you know that it is the muscular organs? Why I am saying this thing? Because there is the no organ, there is the no muscles in our heart, and all heart made by the only the muscles. That's why I am saying this thing. If you will see the location of the heart, so you can see in the pictures also that there are the 12 pairs of the wrist which cover the heart. Because I have also told that our heart is very sensitive organ. So for protecting the heart, there are the 12 pair of the rib. And if you will see the location of the heart, so there are the two lungs. There are the two lungs, and our heart situated between the left lungs and right lungs. So do you know that whenever we ask with someone that where is your heart, so on that time people will always respond that my heart is situated in the left side. But it is the wrong answer. Because do you know that our heart situated in the center, but our heart bends toward the left lungs. That's why we always say that our heart is situated. But in the critical situation, there are the only 2 and 3 persons whose heart bend to right lungs. That's why. And do you know that there are the 4 chamber in our heart, and which muscular divide our heart in the 4 chamber? That muscle's name is the septum. So there are the 4 chamber, and you can see here that is the right cardium and left cardium, and is the right ventricle, and is the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. And do you know that there are the 13 chambers in the cockroach heart? And if I will talk about the mammals, so there are the 4 chambers in the heart of the humans, animals, dogs. There are the so many mammals also. And there are the 4 walls, and you can see in the pictures also that there are the 4 walls, just like the which is located in the chambers also. Just like there are the 3 holes. That's why its name is the triphosphate. And there are the two holes. It's called the atrium and it's look like a moon. That's why its name is the semi-lunar valve, and it's look like a zero. That's why its name is the aortic valve. So we will see the process of the heart, that how does our heart work. So we will see that we all have listened that there are the two types of the blood, that is the pure blood and the unpure blood. If there is the scarcity of the oxygen in the blood, so on that time it's become the unpure blood. But if there is the too much quantity of the oxygen in the blood, so it's become the pure blood. So do you know that unpure blood pass from the tricuspid valve and pure blood pass from the atrium and means the ventricles, means the left ventricles also. So we will see the process of the heart, that how does heart work. So first of all, whenever unpure blood pass from the tricuspid valves and it's enter in the semi-lunar valves for filtering the unpure blood reached in the right lungs, and you know that there are the too much oxygen in the our lungs. So for filtering the means the having engaged in the oxygen, our unpure blood become the pure blood, and then after it's reach in the atrium wall, and then after it's after passing the atrium, it's go toward our blood vessels. And we all know that there are the two types of the blood vessels. First is the red blood vessels and second is the blue blood vessels. And you know that red blood vessels cannot be able to visible in our body because the red blood vessel is situated in the inner side of the layer, and blue blood vessels can be able to visible in our body because blue blood vessel is situated outside of the layer. So by this, we will take my sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.